Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your headphones Sony. And the first one, when you listen to music or watching a movie, you don't need to use your phone, you can use a controls or gesture right here. And right here at the right ear cup we have touch area, so you can increase the volume by slide up, lower the volume, slide down, play next track or next film by slide to the right and previous slide to the left. Also, you can play or pause it by press 2 times on this touch area, or you can call voice assistant by press and hold on this touch area. Next one, we have these headphones have ANC, so I like this mod, and you can enable it in the application by just click on it, or you can use a control to enable it, and in the application you can modify it, you can change noise cancelling to wind noise reduction. Next one, these headphones have also transparency mode, so if you met someone, you don't need to remove your headphones, you just enable this mode and that's it. Also, you can modify it right here, again in the application you can enable voice pass-through, or you can lower this transparency level, and I guess it's a good one. You can improve your listening experience by changing equalizer browser, and right here in the application we have presets. Here you can also create a custom preset, it's up to you. Next one, these headphones support dual connection, so you can connect 2 devices to your headphones and you can manage it right here in the application. Firstly need to enable it, and then you just right here we can enable it, right here at the top you just enable it and you can add easily the second device. Next is this headphones support LDAC, but there is also for Android devices, because Apple devices doesn't support LDAC, it supports only AAC codec and you can also use it. But if you have Android, it would be a huge plus for you, because LDAC is a high resolution audio codec, so I guess it would be nice. If you have some trouble with your headphones, you can easily perform a factory reset. You just turn off your headphones and then you press and hold power button and ambient sound control button at the same time until this LED light starts flashing blue 4 times. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!